DOEC Triple C syllabus, World Wide Web and Web Browser, Part 1. Online contents for Triple C syllabus are Introduction to Computer, Introduction to GUI based operating system, Elements of word processing, Spreadsheet, Computer communication and Internet, World Wide Web and Web Browser, Communication and Collaboration, Making a Small Presentation. Introduction. The World Wide Web is a way to share resources with many people at the same time, even if some of these resources are located at possible end of the world. The web is the most popular internet service next to email, but it accesses a larger quantities and greater varieties of data than any other service on the internet. World Wide Web is a huge collection of hypertext pages on the internet. A wide range of web browsers is available for every type of systems you can imagine, including graphical user interface and text only for dial-up Unix connections. A web browser is a software application for retrieving, presenting, and traversing information resources on the World Wide Web. An information resource is identified by a Uniform Resource Identifier (URI) and may be a web page, image, video, or any other pieces of content. Hyperlink present in resources enable users to easily navigate their browser to related resources. Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is the name of the Microsoft browser that enables you to view web pages on the internet using a graphical interface. Internet Explorer was first introduced in 1995 and it is the most popular browser used today. The latest official release, Internet Explorer 7, is made available for Windows XP, Windows Server 2003, and Windows Vista. The parts of Windows Explorer are explained below. First is title bar. On the extreme left, the title bar displays the name of the web page currently open, and on the right side the maximize, minimize, restore and close buttons. Menu bar. This is located just below the title bar and has the pull down menus. Toolbars. It is located below the menu bar and has buttons that allow quick access to commands and web pages that you might be using often. The Links toolbar provides one-click access to your most frequently used pages. Explorer animation. It indicates when Internet Explorer is waiting to receive information from a computer on the Internet. The flag icons shimmers in case Internet Explorer is waiting. Document area. It displays the web page you are currently viewing. Address bar. The address bar displays the URL address of the page you are currently viewing. The Explorer bar and Explorer bar is a separate window pane. Internet Explorer has 4 different Explorer bars: search, favorite, history and channels. The status bar. The status bar provides information about the current state of the browser. Like this. Netscape Communicator. Netscape Communicator is an internet suite that was produced by Netscape Communications Corporations, initially released in June 1997. Netscape Communicator 4 was the successor to Netscape Navigator 3 and included more group-wise features intended to appeal to enterprises. Netscape has built an entire suite of software around its Netscape browser called Netscape Communicator. It includes modules for reading news groups, reading, sending and managing internet mail, for audio conference, for collaborative work on whiteboard application in which people can view and mark up the same document simultaneously. Communicator also includes an HTML editor that allows you to edit, create and post HTML document on the web. Configuring web browser. You can change the look and layout of web browser. To configure web browser, follow the below listed steps. First, click the Tools menu and click Internet option. The Internet option dialog box appears. Home page is the first web page that will be displayed when you open your browser. To set a home page, type the address of the page which you want to make home page in the home page address text box. History folder contains links in recently viewed web pages. You can specify the number of days to keep pages in history. You can also delete history by clicking on Clear History button. To change text and background color, click on the color button. The color dialog box appears where you can select the desired color for text. To change the font of text on the web pages, click on the Fonts button. The Fonts dialog box appears where you can select the desired font for the text.